So we left pretty late from Eqalugaarniarfik cabin today. We waited for the municipality. They were going to send someone up to put a sign up from the fire department whether or not you should go on the northern route or the southern route. And they're still recommending to go on the southern route, so we're doing that. From the cabin we followed a ATV trail down, and we see the next cairn, and we're about to start heading upwards away from the ATV trail. And we left the cabin at 2 o'clock, and we'll probably get as far as we can so we can reach Saltfangwait by tomorrow night, and we're going to camp somewhere. The map says that there is a cabin, but we've been told it's nowhere near ready yet, so just be prepared to sleep in a tent, at least for the first night, and then you can rent cheap accommodation in Saltfangwait and buy some groceries if you need to. Or if you're tired, you can just call for a boat, and that'll take you all the way to Sisimiut. So right after we left the ATV trail, we actually ended up taking a wrong turn going up. You want to stay down along the coastline, just go down there by the flat and you'll go up higher later. Just keep that in mind so you don't have to do some extra height meters. And after that, the cairns were sort of okay, but we actually did lose the trail and the cairns quite a few times, especially when we got around the bend and had to climb up the mountain. We could only see the next cairn at the top of the mountain, so I don't know if there's a trail up to those, or if you just, pick your own way up there. And unfortunately, we had a map with very few height curves. We only have a curve every 100 meters. And the cairns were pretty good at the top, but we lost one and thought we were supposed to go down, so we actually ended up going down the mountain too early instead of staying along the ridge, which would have been a lot easier, so keep that in mind as well. It's a lot softer ground, there's no real trail, so you kind of sink with every step. It's a lot harder, especially with the full gear on. So we managed only to do 12.9 kilometers yesterday, but we did leave at 2 o'clock because we were waiting for the fire department for an update. Arrived around here around 9 p.m. and decided we should probably set up camp. So we did. We slept in this tent. It rained a little bit last night, but other than that it was fine, no wind. We're excited to head on to Saltfangwait.